Moondrop is a well-known brand for its high-end IEMs and earbuds, but the company might soon be venturing into uncharted territory, as suggested by their latest teaser. Moondrop surprisingly shared a teaser for its new smartphone on its website a few days ago. The device is called MIAD-01 and is listed as a 5G hi-fi mobile audio device. A quick glance at the phone's outline reveals a power button and volume controls on the left side, and it looks like the device will have a sleek, flat design. However, beyond this, Moondrop has kept mum about any further details regarding the smartphone. A smartphone with features 6.7-inch flexible 120Hz high refresh rates OLED curved screen and 1920Hz high-frequency PWM dimming with 1080p resolution. We can be sure there is a 4.4mm as well a 3.5mm jack. The 4.4mm jack outputs balanced audio while the 3.5mm features single-ended output with microphone support. Moondrop and MIAD-01 come with dual camera setup on the back. Moondrop is known for its daring design choices, often showcasing distinctive and visually striking aesthetics in its earbuds and charging cases. So, it's reasonable to expect the MIAD-01 phone to follow suit and bring out a unique identity in the market. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.